Hello everyone, this is Zach Cross on the Zach Cross channel. I'm going to be reviewing the Swenson's Galley Boy and the fried pickles and the potato poppers from Swenson's. This was suggested by Mark from my work at Goodwill. So yeah, I'm going to get into it now. I have the original Galley Boy here, and let's see. There's the original Galley Boy with Galley sauce, which is a mix of ranch and barbecue. It's amazing. The barbecue sauce gives it a nice tang. The Galley sauce, which is tartar sauce, is amazing. And the burger patty is cooked good. Yep. I'm gonna give that a 5 out of 5. Here we have the fried pickles. Are these fried pickles? Oh, yeah, fried pickles. Dip in here. They're fried to perfection. Crispy coating gives it a nice crispy bite to the fried exterior of the pickles. And the pickles, nice and soft. I'll be giving this a 5 out of 5 again. And here we have the potato poppers from Swenson's. It is amazing. Jalapenos, a little bit spicy. The cheese, nice and creamy, and the exterior being the crispy fried exterior being amazingly crunchy. That is absolutely amazing. As you can see, here's the inside. I'll be giving these a 5 out of 5. Again. Okay. And the final thing I have is the Galley Burger with everything, which means it's pickles, onions, and mustard with the Galley sauce, which is the tartar sauce, and the barbecue sauce. The mustard gives it a nice contrast to the Galley sauce. Now, the original Galley Burger, which I tried earlier, I found it to be a little bare, but I gave it a 5 because of how good it was. This, with all the toppings, is a great taste too. It just enhances the flavor of the burger. The burger, cooked medium or well done all the way through, because as you can see, it is gray inside, and it's amazing. So I'll be giving this a 5 out of 5 too. Again, this was a suggestion from my friend Mark at Goodwill. I work with him quite frequently, and yeah, that's everything. Mark, I'll give you a shout out, just like I did Gary from my other one a while ago. Thank you for the suggestion, And that's it. Goodbye.